We were sent these for our review, and I'm super excited because, as everyone knows in the audio world, Comm 1 by Shokz was the best thing around. Well, this is Comm 2, and let me tell you all about it, because this little UC right here is important. This means it's basically unified communication, and unified communication means that for the first time you'll be able to connect to multiple devices and seamlessly go between devices. What does that mean, or how does that apply? You can be on a Zoom call on your computer, and then you can get a call on your phone and switch automatically without losing anything. Literally seamless. You don't have to do anything. The phone will take over. You take your call, you go back to your Zoom call. It's really, really cool. So this is the bone conduction. I kept it in the box because I want to show you what it actually comes with. It's really, really cool. Guys, check this beautiful case. So this is obviously what we're talking about right here. It's extremely light, and look how beautiful they are. Look at this. This is it. This is it. And it's got a little headset for actually a microphone. So check this out. You put this around. It feels like you're not even wearing anything. And it's a big thing to say that even with a cap or a hat or whatever have you on your head, it doesn't impede. It's super comfortable still. And look at that. It's not touching the back of my head, so I have a lot of wiggle room in the back here. It feels like there's nothing on my head. The microphone is extremely sensitive, but it's also noise canceling. So there can be a lot of stuff going on around you, and it will selectively use your voice as the main audio source, which is awesome. Now, there's another thing. This is Bluetooth, but they do provide you with a Bluetooth adapter by Shokz. So if you have a USB-C device that does not have Bluetooth built in, just plug that in. Your device, the Shokz, will connect directly to your device with this. And a lot of people ask, can you do gaming? Because this, of course, is a prime product for conferences, for Zoom calls, like I said, for Skype, for all of that stuff. Yes, you can do gaming. It's been tested out with Xbox, because Xbox is a PC version. I haven't tested it with PS5 yet, and I can't wait to do that. And I will definitely report soon with that stuff. But gaming is also a tick. You need, if you're ever out of charge and you need a quick charge, 5 minutes will give you 2 hours of talk and listen time. That's incredible. And the entire time that you can wear this while you're working, if ever you're working more than that, I commend you, 16 hours playtime, 16 hours talk and listen time. It's incredible. I'm talking with this on my head, and I can't even feel that it's on my head. You put that back in its little case, just like that, and you crisscross that, and you can travel with it, bring it anywhere you want. These are incredible.